Hustler, Talk the Truth TV. Right now, people, me tell you, right now, my vex. And as I'm a vex, and as I'm, but guess what? Big up to all of my fans, them, okay, out there. And all on the people, me asking them to just subscribe to the YouTube page. Hustler, Talk the Truth page, okay? And right now, me tell you the truth. Right now, me vex. Bug up on WhatsApp this morning. Me been on one little group on WhatsApp. And I tell you, say, people, me see I see them send a look up video in a group with this girl. Oh Jesus. If you cut me this morning, you not see no blood come out. If you cut me, no blood no come out. Me I tell you say, to me feel it, me don't know how me feel it so bad. And she not related to me. Me I tell you, right now, on can't destroy the future of Jamaica, the kids them who are grow up. On can't destroy the future. The kids them who grow up is the future. On can't destroy them. And the big man them out there are destroy the future. The kids them is the future right now, you know. You understand? The kids them is the future. And they can't destroy them. I protect on the favor, I protect the kids them when I destroy. Cannot destroy the kids them. Only supposed to protect the kids them. You understand? And guess what? Guess what right now? Me here says our father. You understand? Our father, the owner blood, I do that. If me ask you a question now. If the owner blood I do that to him blood, where you left other people for do to your kids? And understand? Because you are the father and you and should be here in a fear mouth. Oh Jesus, please. It don't look good. It don't look good. Me I tell you say, that man there no for go to jail. You understand? That man there no for go to jail. Yeah. That man there no for go to jail. That man there, we never talk about it. You understand? Because you never say me wicked and I say this. But guess what? Right now, me ask all the mother out there, well, all the mother just protect on the child. And as I'm protect on the child, and right now, me I tell the truth. All the truth, cause nothing but the truth. You have some mother out there, no say, them father, or them uncle, or them grandfather, or them father, molest the child and them not say nothing. They go and see them way right now. You understand? I have some father out there now, right now. Grow the child without mother. Grow the child without mother and the thing right now. And not because of you grow the child. Not because of you grow the child. You are going to turn on back on the child. And molest the child. You understand? Listen, man, leave the child him to go. You understand? Listen, man. You have some father out there right now. I pervert right now. I rape him own daughter right now. You have some father out there right now. I rape them own daughter right now. That needs to stop. Stop. That needs to stop right now. That needs to stop because it don't look good. You understand? You own a blood. You want a blood, you want sex, Jesus, please. Listen, man, it don't good. Understand? It don't look good. I tell you, it don't look good. It don't look good to say you have a father, a father rape him own a daughter. I have sex with him own a daughter. Oh, that look good. Oh, that good. Look, that don't look good. That don't look good. Understand? And listen to me. You see, mother them now. Now talk, cause the father bribe the mother them, buy money, give them money and that they not talk. And understand and listen me. You see mother them now need to put them foot down on the ground, you understand? And lift and talk about your daughter, cause listen, your same daughter can come help you at the end of the day. Cause guess what? She never come help you cause her father shug up her future. You understand? Shug up her future. You understand? Cause guess what? I I think I think that I feel that I hear that I go to think about that, you know. You understand? Cause them a go all and all. See that I got still upon their mind, so them father will rate them. You understand? That I got still upon the mind. That I got hard to come out of the mind. You understand? Yes, that I got still upon their mind, so them father will rape them. You understand? And that I got to shut up them future. You understand? Listen man. They ask you, ask them from my heart. Mother, father, take care of your children. Them is the future for right now. You understand? There is future. See, so we can't get back on this Usain Bolt. We can't get back on this Shelley and Fraser. We want more doctor, we want more lawyer. You understand? We want more Porsche, we want more Angelonis. You understand? We can't get back no more of them there, cause guess what? They mother, you see mother and the father them know now go them pick me right. You understand? Listen man, do me ask you please from my heart. You understand? Take care of the children them out there. Me I talk each and every country out there right now. Me ask you to take care of the kids them. The kids them are the future right now. You understand? Me ask you to just take care of the kids them. You understand? I ask you please. Me ask you please in every community. You understand? Every community. You understand? In every community and every avenue. You understand? If you don't know somebody I get rape or rape, make somebody know. I go to the police station, go report it. Report it and say over that yard somebody I get rape over there every night. You understand? Over that yard, make somebody know. You understand? Make somebody know. Say she I get rape over that yard. You understand? Make somebody know. You understand? Yeah. And protect them. You understand? Make somebody know. Say she I get raped down there. Say she want help. You understand? Listen. Make somebody know. You understand? Ask could the father, the uncle, or anybody rape them. Make the police know and make the police come solve it. Okay? Listen. Our kids is the future today. You understand? Listen man, protect the kids them. Right through. You understand? Hustler at the True TV. I am out.